Hey, hi everyone. How are you all? So, today I'll show you how to make a vision board. I hope you know what is a vision board. So, a vision board is a great tool to visualize or manifest what you want. So, for example, anything that you want, right? Be it a vacation, be it a job, you can create a vision board and you can basically put pictures of things that you want in your life and maybe write some word, right, like health, trips, dream, something like that. And you just basically the whole concept is you see it regularly. Either you can paste it on your wall or it can be your wallpaper of your desktop. Unconsciously, when you are seeing these things, right, you are not consciously looking at it, but unconsciously it goes to your subconscious mind and it manifests. So it's a magical way, and if you search videos about vision board on YouTube, you will find a lot of interesting information. But today I'll show you how to actually make a vision board. So let's start. So I am using Canva for this, and you can see I am logged in using an account which doesn't have any subscription. So what we'll do is we'll just click on create a design and we'll search for a vision board. Okay, I cannot find anything for a vision board. Maybe then search for a desktop wallpaper. See, now because what you can do is you can create a wallpaper or you can also select A3 size and things like that. Now, let's say you want to maybe manifest a trip to Switzerland. Let's take this simple example, right? So, what you can do is, so there are a lot of elements, right? You can just write Switzerland here. So looks like this is the flag of Switzerland. So what you can do is you can just have this picture here. You can select any color background. I mean, it can be whatever you like, right? Let me choose a background like this. Okay. So now you do see watermarks here. So because these are pro Canva images, but you can see like which one are not pro. So like this one is not pro, right? So let's use this one. Okay. So this is a Switzerland photo. And you can also add a text. Basically, you can write something like my trip to Switzerland. And maybe put it here, make it bold. You can also color it like whatever color you like if you want it to be green and more things, right? Let's go to element again. So if I want to, let's say I want to take a train there, so then I'll put this train also. So basically I'll also have this train here that I'm traveling in train, and you can also like select, right, travel. So you can also put any of those images. So for example, these are good images, right? I think there is also, I don't know why they don't have it, but they should have a filter for pro versus free images. Let's see. Let's use pro images and see what we get. Like, is there an option to export it? So let's say I want to travel by plane. So I've also added this plane. And let's say if I'm going with my friend group, I can also add this. So you don't have to buy subscription. Another simple way is that you go to photos, sorry, you go to Google and you can just write any image that you want, right? So here, let's say flight travel. So maybe, okay, so this is the image, right? If you want this, you just do save image as. So you can just save it in your downloads, and then you can go to Canva and you can upload file. So you can just upload this image. See, this image is uploaded, and then you can pull this image, right? So you can see that, this image is now here. So you can have this image, you can paste your pictures, your family members' photo. You can also, just copy it and paste it and write, uh, something like a family vacation, and like whatever you want to do there. If you want to do a lot of shopping, you can take pictures of shopping streets and paste it here. And then you can also write, if you want to travel by business class, you can just write business class trip. Or if you want to travel by flight, you can just write flight. Anything that, when you look at this picture, it should feel like that it's your dream. That is the concept of vision board. We pay a lot of, we tell you that you should visualize. Now, it's not possible for many people to visualize. And you don't go into the details, right? If I ask you visualize, are you able to visualize how you will go to Switzerland, for how many days you will stay there, what kind of activities will you do? No, right? So if you put it in pictures, it becomes very easy. I might be working, but all of a sudden, I see this as my wallpaper. And I'm like, okay, yeah, Switzerland is so beautiful. My trip to Switzerland. Unconsciously, I'm seeing this multiple times, multiple times. And you can also have something like this, right? You can basically bring forward. So you can create if you want to change color, you can have black color here. And you can also write, something like grateful, blessed. You can add something like thankful, grateful, blessed. So it's like you are just blessed for this trip. And then what you can do is you can add more picture, but I'm just giving you a basic idea that how you can create a vision board. This is just for your trip to Switzerland, but if you want to manifest health, job, you can just think about it, and then you can create. If you have any questions, you can also comment below. I'll respond on those. But let's say now, what do we do? So we will download it, right? And you can basically download it in any size that you want. And it's saying upgrade to Canva Pro because we don't have Canva Pro and we use premium content. So if you don't have any pro content, you can simply download it. But even in this, right, you can download a free watermark draft. So it's downloading that draft. Okay, now let me just open it. So if you see this, right, we have this image and you can set it as your wallpaper or anything. So I know these watermarks are there because it was pro content, but you can always download it from Google Photos. I hope this video was helpful. I learned about vision board many years ago, but at that time, I started searching for apps. If there are any apps that can help me in creating a vision board, I knew that I could create a collage and all, but none of the tool was very handy, and I didn't know how should I go about it. Like, do I paste my pictures or do I paste other people's pictures? Anything is fine. If you want to add other people's pictures, that is also fine. See, when you are looking at this, right, specifically, these four people whose hands are raised up, the feeling that you get is, okay, these four people are, because very thankful, incredibly grateful, unbelievably blessed, and they are just enjoying their trip. So that's the whole point. You look at it and you basically feel good. You feel like, okay, this is Switzerland trip. People are enjoying, they are happy. You can also paste your pictures. So that is how you are continuously visualizing it, and it helps. Try it. I mean, just paste it, and within months, right? After 3 4 months, let me know, like, did you actually manifest it or maybe something better? And if you have any questions about, how you can create a vision board for something else like job manifestation or anything else, do let me know. I'll also answer those and will create content on those. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. Bye. Take care, everyone.